It's 7 days of Desi Chinese. So it's 7 days of me just cooking Indo-Chinese food episode 1. So today let's make the OG, the godfather of Indo-Chinese food, Chilli Paneer dry. तो सबसे पहले पनीर को thin long slices में कट करके डाल दीजिए बोल के अंदर along with some salt and pepper and give it a mix. फिर डालते हैं थोड़ा सा पाउडर, not talcum powder, some corn flour. Just coat this with corn flour. तेल गरम कर लीजिए and add your paneer slices and deep fry it until they're nice and crispy and golden like this. अब रेडी करते हैं सॉस. गरम तेल में add chopped onion, garlic, green chilies, fry. And now add the peppers and fry them for a few seconds. फिर डालते हैं इसमें soy sauce, red chili sauce and थोड़ा सा ketchup and give it a mix. Add 1/4 cup of water and now season it with some crushed black pepper and chili flakes. Thicken it with some cornstarch slurry and bring it to a boil. And गाढ़ा हो गया तो डाल दीजिए पनीर. Toss it up nicely. Last में add जरा से coriander leaves and lemon juice and mix it up and it's ready. And like the video and subscribe the channel for more episodes. Take care.